Hey guys, it's Ching. I'm in Shanghai. It's wet and miserable, but don't worry, I've got a treat that's going to cheer us both up.
In this episode, I'm taking you to eat a giant rice roll filled with delicious goodies. Smoky bacon, sausage, pork floss, and crispy fried dough stick, all wrapped in beautiful sticky rice.
Okay, so it's just down here. Wow, it's packed, full of people. I think we've got to order here and then we collect. I'm after their rice roll. 一份那个饭团。谢谢。直走，好，谢谢。So just walk down the line. Hello, 你好. Okay, so they have everything. So they have like 杂菜, which is a Sichuan pickle. They have a bit of sugar. They have pork floss. 你们也有油条啊? Okay, and they've got a fried dough stick as well. And then lots of different trimmings. So I think we're just going to get everything, really. 有没有办法全部都放进去? Look, my order's being made right here. I don't know if you can see, if you can get right in there. Look at that bacon. We've got sausages. It's all going straight on top. It's a double whammy. He's just folding it up. And he's using like a bamboo mat, like a sushi mat, to kind of roll it, shape it. And look, he's just pressing it all in together. And look, there it is. 杂菜什么肉松都有放了. He's put everything in it. Look at the size. It's like a gigantic rice burrito. And it's hot as well. 好香哦. It smells so good. 好了，谢谢啊. I'm going to find a seat. Right. I think this is a good spot. Okay, here it is, the real deal. Look at that size. It's piping hot. And it's just got a little thin piece of plastic here, like cling film. And oh, look at that. Look at that. The rice in there. We've got the sausage. We've got a little bit of pork floss in there. Can you see all that deliciousness and juiciness? And the rice. Look at that. It's rolled and it's a little bit sticky. You can see all the grains. I mean, oh, it smells so fragrant and aromatic. How do you suggest I get my mouth around that? This rice roll is as big as my head. Okay, I'm going in. The fried dough breadstick is really crispy, crunchy. And then you get a little salty kick when you get to the bacon and the sausage meat. I've just got a little bit of the mustard pickle, the salted mustard pickle. That's sour, that's a little bit spicy, a little bit fiery. And you get the sweetness of that pork floss. A little bit of that sugar in there as well. This is really good. This is carb and protein heaven right here. What's not to love?
Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.